सिखाती हूँ, आप लोग सब बोलो रानी रानी रानी. Alright. Thank you. रानी रानी रानी. Okay, really? All good, I hope, ना? कोई गलती हो गई तो माफ कर देना बेटा. Sweet, really sweet. Thank you. But every time I'm going to see this picture, I'm going to go Rani, Rani, Rani. Guys, life is all about having fun, enjoying what you do. You should definitely enjoy. You can't make a class very boring and serious. अभी ना question and answer का time है, तो ज़रा आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं because recipe तो बहुत simple है. अगर end of the day मुझे देंगे करने को तो मैं simple ही कुछ करूँगी. And before and after तो मुझे करना है. I'm going to make you all taste it. तो anyone has any questions? Please, yes. Please pass this, no? Yes.
Good.
Okay. Rani. Let's go.
The energy vibe. So a quick recap if you can with the ingredients.
Pardon?
A quick recap of the ingredients.
Oh, okay.
I'm so sorry.
No, not a problem. So we made a granola or a trail mix inside. We've taken a silpat. And what we've done is we've taken nuts, pistachio, almonds, hazelnut, cashew, whatever you like. Some berries, I've taken blueberries. Then we've taken this mixed seeds. Okay, all a mix, whatever you have. You want sunflower, you want flax seeds also you can add. We've taken oats. Okay. We've then taken some apricots and a little rind of the orange. Okay. Now we've seasoned that with a little bit of cinnamon. Okay, and a little honey. Now honey, I told you, if you don't want to use honey, you can use maple syrup. You can use agave if you want to go sugar syrup, without sugar. You can even use jaggery powder, coconut sugar. अगर आपको vegan बनाना है, okay, you can even add a little bit of 1 spoon of butter to it. And if you want to make the same thing vegan, then you can use a little bit of extra cold pressed, coconut oil. And you can then use, all the vegan products into that. So no butter into it. Honey भी आपको चाहिए तो मत डालिए. फिर आप sweetener में agave डाल दीजिए. या coconut sugar also you can use in that. And chia seeds भी डाल सकते हैं. Okay, so that's what I was saying. I do this as a trail mix for my son. I make such a big one. He doesn't like berries, मैं berries नहीं डालती. और फिर मैं once it's baked and comes out, I take 60% dark chocolate का carrots, Valerona का. एंड मैं वो ऐड कर देती हूँ उसमें. सो इट्स चॉकलेट का कॉम्बिनेशन, डार्क चॉकलेट हेल्दी है. सो इट एक्ट्स एज अ डिजर्ट फॉर्म इन द नाइट. भर के यू कैन इवन पुट इन दो जिपलॉक बैग्स एंड पुट इन योर पर्स whenever you're on the go. So you have your own, like handful of nuts or trail mix. You want to have it like a cereal, you can make it like a cereal. You can even use amaranth. पर amaranth को जैसे पॉपकॉर्न की तरह आपको पॉप करना है. कढ़ाई ले लेना आपको, put your amaranth and cover, but make sure नीचे से burn नहीं हो. तो they start popping. So you can add amaranth also in this. So you can make gluten free or regular because oats is not gluten free. So combination recipe basic same है. आप minus subtract add कर सकते हैं अपने हिसाब से.
All 1:1 portion. Everything what you say.
I've taken handful nuts है ना, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. And sweetness also lower because you don't want to make it very sweet. Yeah. Okay. So this one is a 1:1 recipe. The base is a 1:1, which is same amount of yogurt, same amount of condensed milk, and same amount of fresh cream Amul ka. So which means if this katori is what you've taken of yogurt, all three are same recipe. So whichever quantity you're taking, all three are same. Okay? So I thank you for it's taking time. Okay, so we have 4 minutes left for that. तो मुझे थोड़ा बहुत आप लोग से बकबक करना पड़ेगा अभी because I want to show you the steam function. By then, once that's out, we will do the presentation of the one that we already have. But I want you to see how both happens in here. So the whole idea behind our purpose is to show you techniques, how you can achieve results with different things. तो सबने cakes किया तो baking करना और cooking करना तो I wanted to show you the steam function of that. So in our booth we are making, हम लोग बाहर वो कुलचे खरीदते हैं ready-made वाले. We're even steaming the kulchas. So we do that at 120 degrees temperature and 100% steam. And you're getting amazing kulchas which can be store-bought. So if you really want to do some orders, then a professional piece really makes a difference. Yeah. Okay, so we wait for that to come out. Can we get that out? And I know everyone's going to move out faster once I have a picture ready. Okay. So this is after it's baked. As you can see, I'll just show it around closely, which I have to get there. I don't want to jump down. Okay, I'm going to come closely. I'm going to show you how it's set. वो जो design है because of the cling wrap. Otherwise, it's very smooth. And if you want to remove the air bubbles, then you can just blowtorch it. I'm going to set it now. ना वो orange का थोड़ा सा juice भी डाल सकते हो. Can you see how beautifully that's set? ये मैं अभी आपको डाल के बताऊंगी, पर वो स्टीम होने के बाद उसको फिर फ्रिज में आपको सेट करना है, राइट? सो दिस इज आफ्टर दैट. बट आई एम शोइंग यू दिस एंड स्टीम वन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. बट फिर आप वो टेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, ये वाला हम लोग प्रेजेंट करेंगे तो आप टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, राइट? माई होल आइडिया इज देयर शुड नेवर बी अ बिफोर एंड आफ्टर व्हेन यू आर टीचिंग. दैट्स व्हाई दैट वी जस्ट मेड. ये हमने सेट कर दिया, अब हम बना रहे हैं और आपके सामने दिखा रहे हैं. ऑडियंस की स्पैन ऑफ अटेंशन बहुत कम होती है, तो थोड़ा पिक्चर बैक एंड फोर्थ में बताना पड़ता है कि ये 1992 में ऐसा हुआ, फिर 2024 में ऐसा हुआ. वो चल रही है ना आजकल ऐसे OTT सीरीज़ में भी, तो मैं भी वही बता रही हूँ आपको कि पहले ऐसा था, फिर अभी ऐसा है, फिर अभी वो हो रहा है. तो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू. टेस्ट करके जाना है. इट्स ओके, वो इशारा मैंने देख लिया. ओके, सो वी विल पुट दैट. But then people might not want to wait. If someone genuinely wants to understand, because your oven is your true friend to bring you that result. So it's very important to get it correct. Yeah? Okay? Yes, this is baked, steamed inside and thanda kar diya. I will put that. Yes, now I will put that. Okay? Okay? So we'll decorate this now. Literally 1 minute more, this will come out and I'll show you how we preheat for the steam function. And we'll put this one. ये हमारे पास 2 है यहाँ पे. ओके, ये स्पाइस्ड है. आप इसमें स्पाइस भी डाल सकते हैं, प्लेन भी कर सकते हैं. इसमें हमने स्पाइस किया था, मैंने बोला आपको मैंगो भी कर सकते हैं. दैट्स डन. ओके. ओके, सो एवरीवन नोज अभी गरम गरम में सॉफ्ट होगा. बेटा you have another plate, I can remove it in so that it cools down faster. So the nuts are nicely roasted now. You can do this also in without an oven. If you don't want to do it in an oven, you can definitely put it. Yes. Okay. Yes, we can. I'm transferring it to this tray because I want it to cool down faster. Okay? And जब वो ठंडा हो जाएगा तो वो मस्त क्रिस्पी हो जाएगा, which you can put in any jar and just keep. Ziploc बैग में डालो, जिसमें भी डालो आप. Okay? आप स्टीम का शुरू कर दीजिए. Please explain. You all want to see the steam function, how to do it? Okay? Can chef start that? If you want to come closer, please feel free. हम इंसानों को बिल्कुल नहीं खाते, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला. We're not man eaters. Please come in front if you want to see it, please. Okay, start.
So over here we have the preheating option, wherein we'll be preheating it at 130. We don't want to bake this gappa doi at a very high temperature. So 130 for the preheat. My first step is going to be only for 12 minutes. Gappa doi of this size is only going to take 12 minutes. My temperature will be at 120. And steaming will be at 100%.
100% steam. Okay, for steam, this doesn't need any water connection. You just have a pipe and you just need to put the jug of water behind.
We have done that.
So you don't need to break your kitchen. You don't need a 3-phase. See over here, can you see this, guys, on the side? Can you see that? That's where the steam is coming from, the water. So you can keep this on any table that you want, and all you need is a 1-phase, single phase, and the steam is working like that. So you just need your water there. Okay? So now it's preheating. When it's preheated already, it's going to beep and we're going to put this inside. Alright guys? While that happens, I know we can start decorating this. Do you have a cake stand or something? कुछ नहीं है. A cake stand or something. Okay, see, it's beeped already. This is going in. Okay. Remember, I told you when you're using a glass or something, then put a water bath. Okay, because then that can crack. मटका या glass. Improvising. दे दो. जुगाड़. See how beautiful the cake stand is. सही है ना? हाँ. अभी देखो. ठीक है, सही है. हाइट सही लग रही है. ओके, चलिए. अब इसको हम लोग डेकोरेट करेंगे. राइट? I have a few orange veggies as well. She's got some more things also for me, some fruits. Super. इसको ठंडा तक इसको फ्रेश हो गया ठंडा. हाँ, रख दो. हल्का सा 2 मिनट के लिए. Yeah, just little bit. Super. What is this? Ah, chocolate as well. Just to show you, make you taste with that also. Can you guys just chop a little bit of this on the chopping board? Dark chocolate. So you can just taste the granola as it is in a bowl for that also. Okay. So I've got some blueberry compote and sauce that I want to put here.